Welcome back to another Mac tutorial, everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily create a folder shortcut on Mac so you can access your important files faster. The naming is a little bit different compared to Windows. So the first thing which we have to do is to locate our folder for which we want to create the shortcut for. So I'm going to open Finder on my Mac by clicking on this icon, and the specific folder which I want to create the shortcut for is located in my Downloads section. And this folder contains a couple of YouTube thumbnails which I will use for my videos. So how can I create a shortcut for this folder? It's pretty easy. You'll want to double-click on the folder itself until this falling menu appears, and then you'll get a lot of options. But the option which we need is this Make Alias. The Windows option is called Create Shortcut, but on Mac OS it's called Make Alias. And when I click on this option, it's going to create a shortcut at the right side. And you can see a little arrow at the bottom left of the shortcut folder, which indicated that indeed this is a shortcut. But I don't want it in my Downloads section. So I will just drag this folder to my desktop like this, and then you can rename your folder if you want to. I'm quickly going to rename this to YouTube Shortcut, and that's it. That is how we can create a folder shortcut on our Mac OS. Make sure you subscribe for more similar videos like this one, and I will see you soon. Thanks for watching.